that is called a road. Yeah, so we are making a long road trip to somewhere near the mountains in Colorado. So yeah, it's going to be a very long road trip. Yeah, I'll see you guys after this time lapse when we get to Colorado. Goodbye. Stopped taking a break at a gas station, but look at that sunset. Like, holy cow. I don't know how to zoom in on this. Oh, there. Yeah, look at that sunset. That's really cool.
So tiny.
It does. It's awesome.
It's a half ton.
Yeah.
It's like a half ton. Just cut off.
Yeah. Okay. Back to time lapsing, I guess. We are on our way. We are still like 4 hours from Breckenridge, but that's whatever. So yeah, we are officially in Colorado. I don't know if you can see, it is very deserty and dry. Yeah, a lot of sand. That's wheat.
No,
yeah.
Up there.
Oh wow, that's a lot of sand. Yeah, there's a lot of sand and dead plants and stuff. But yeah, I'll see you guys after another time lapse. in Colorado, or like not in Breckenridge. Okay, bye. So sorry to interrupt the video, but we've been doing insanely well on the videos recently. I am out of breath because I just ran up the stairs. Yeah, we have been just doing very good on the videos, as you can tell. All of them are over 20, and these two videos right here, the new intro video, has 93 views in 1 week, which is pretty insane. And by the way, thank you guys so much for 50 subs. That's very awesome. Yeah, so sorry to interrupt the video.
That's it.
Yeah.
No. 400
Guys,
feet.
we're pretty much
400
here.
feet. 400 feet. We are literally
300 feet.
250 feet.
690.
200 feet. We're there. We have arrived. Done.
Right up here.
Oh my god.
I think that's it.
Let me
Is
out
that
this
it?
car. Let me out
Is
this
this
car.
it?
Yes.
This is it! Woo! Finally, of course the camera goes purple, but after 20, it feels like 20 hours of
I'm
driving.
gonna open up the garage.
We are
these
at
days.
our house.
Basically 20.
Woo! Guys, so actually, I didn't end up putting it in the hot tub. I put it in the garage, and it was just as funny. Yeah, so here's that, I guess. Okay, guys, so I have the hidden camera. Like, I cannot see right now. So I'm gonna go get my mom and tell her something pooped in the garage. Welcome to X Shot with Cal. This is a segment in our Colorado trip. I am in Colorado. It is 7 o'clock. So yeah. Today I'm gonna show you a new meta for the X Shot Hawkeye Excel sniper shotgun thing. So basically, you're gonna need your Excel Hawkeye right here. I got one. I don't know if you guys can see, but I got one right here. So what you're gonna need is the Excel Hawkeye, and you're gonna need 3, preferably some X-Shot darts, but you can use Nerf Elite darts. I'm just gonna use classic X-Shot darts. So what you're gonna want to do is crack it just like that. Take out the scope. You're not going to need that. And then what you're going to want to do, hopefully you guys can see this, is put a bullet in, just normally, and then put 2 bullets into the barrel. Now make sure you don't put them on top of each other or it will jam. So just get it ready, prime it, all that good stuff, and then shoot. It shoots 3 bullets. So basically like a shotgun, it will, yeah, you'll have a higher chance of hitting people. Now we're going to try it with the Nerf Elite darts. You're going to want to do the exact same thing. Get it ready, and boom. See, it does work. Normally, one of the bullets won't shoot very far, and the 2 other bullets shoot about the same length. As you can see, hopefully these are about at the same little line. Yeah, that's basically our new meta. But you can also, well, I'm gonna do two different other things. So you can do one elite bullet, and then you could probably do two classic X-shot darts. Let's try it. All right, that does work. Now, maybe we'll do one X-shot dart and then two Nerf elite darts. Let's see if that works. Heck, I think one fell out. Yeah, as you might be able to see in there, one did fall out, so just pop another one in. We're good. Boom. Now, sometimes one will get stuck in there. Just shake it, and it'll come out. But if they do end up jamming, which I will show you what it looks like when they jam, then all you need is just a pencil, and you can unjam it easily. Boom. All right, that should jam it. And then we'll just put a bullet in there. Oh yeah, that's jammed all right. As you can see in there, it is very jammed. I think you can see that. All you're gonna need is just a normal number 2 pencil. Boom, right here. And you just stuff it in there and poke them out really. And you're good pretty much. And then sometimes if you do have more than 2 stuck in there, then it'll just push out and you can just pull them out. I don't know if you saw that. The pencil just went flying out. But yeah, that is a new X-shot Hawkeye, like, God, I don't know what you want to call it, but it's a new meta for me. I'm personally going to use it in shotgun mode. Shall we do sniper mode? Let's just try it in sniper mode sometime. I don't know. I'm sure it would be the same, but yeah. See you guys, I think probably in the next clip. Yeah. Just kidding. Of course. This is the end of the video. It's like 12 minutes, which I don't really like that it's that long, but if you watch till the end, thank you. Comment down below, #gamer, and you will get a shout out in Colorado, part 2. This is a 2-part series. This is part 1. I just finished filming the last clip. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, Colorado part 2. Hope you enjoyed, and of course, brush your teeth.